The Earth that suffers from various trashes thrown away by humans, South Korea. Of those trashed, 5 million tons of food wastes are yearly discharged over the country, and the disposal cost alone accounts for 14.9 trillion won. Changes for a green Earth. Challenges for a better tomorrow. EM Solution, a leader in the eco-friendly energy business, is positioned at the center. EM Korea, a parent company of EM Solution Company Limited, manufactures products in various domains such as military industry, aviation business, machining tool business, power facility business, and TBM business based on its cutting-edge and high-precision processing technologies. EM Solution, which was a spin-off from EM Korea as a subsidiary with a specialty in the environmental field, is one of the hidden champions that leads the relevant industry through the innovation and excellent technologies in water electrolysis hydrogen generators, hydrogen stations, and food waste disposal facility. The strong point of the eco-friendly resource recovery system of EM Solution is to purify the drinking wastewater generated when treating food wastes into clean water using the only available technology in South Korea. Thanks to the technology, it is possible to enjoy the fish swimming vigorously in clean water released after purifying the drinking wastewater. Due to the entire process of negative pressure facilities, no odor is created, thereby minimizing complaints from the public and providing a pleasant working environment. Bio-oil extracted during the process and byproducts that remained after the final treatment are produced as feed or fuel, thus reducing operating costs. The system, which is composed of a low-temperature evaporation vacuum system, a fluidized bed cyclone dryer, and a separation membrane water purification system, is highly praised for its cutting-edge technology that acquired an invention patent. Food wastes are automatically input to the carrying hopper, and odor is not leaked by installing deodorizing ducts. The crushing separator crushes the food wastes into certain particles and separates the vinyl and metallic materials to transport them to the crushed source material storage tank. After transporting them to the primary preheating tank from the crushed source material storage tank, those are preheated to facilitate a separation of sludge and supernatant liquid, as well as to increase the efficiency of oil separation and drying. Sludge and supernatant liquid are separated in the screw dehydrator. Supernatant liquid is transferred to the phase 2 and 3 centrifuges, and sludge to the sludge dryer. The residues contained in the supernatant liquid are eliminated in the phase 2 liquid-solid separator, and oil components are extracted in the phase 3 specific gravity level separator by separating the specific gravity of materials during the high-speed rotation. Then those are transferred to the secondary preheating tank and heated to about 60 degrees Celsius. The vacuum dryer evaporates moisture using indirect heat that is supplied to the steam jacket outside the main body. The heat exchanger recovers the condensed water and transfers it to a water purifying system for purification. The water pre-treated through the ultrafilter is either discharged or recycled after purification through the primary and secondary membranes. The sludge from the screw dehydrator is transferred to the sludge dryer. Steam is supplied to the steam jacket outside the main body, and the sludge is dried by increasing the internal temperature of the dryer above 100 degrees Celsius using indirect heat. The metallic materials are separated to be discharged using a magnetic separator from dried sludge, and the remainder is molded into pellets. As a result of the water quality test conducted by the Korea Institute of Industrial Technology, the eco-friendly energy resource recovery system of EM Solution showed BOD 1.5, total organic carbon 14.3, total nitrogen 0.474, and in the odor test 448 at the rear end of the outlet and 10 at the site boundary, and it was judged to meet the standards in all categories. Salmonella bacteria and cadmium were not detected in the single ingredient feed, and it was also judged to be suitable in all 23 inspection items. A company that changes the world with a technology to consider people and nature. To make the Earth green further, EM Solution is taking its steps strongly today as well.